Hello, I'm Chris Gaskin. Welcome to my channel, Ultra Woody. A big thank you for joining me and a big thank you to all my new subscribers. And if you're new, please feel free to look at all my old videos. They are many and varied. Okay, before I start, I want to say a big thank you to a friend of mine who's taken a break out from wood turning, and he's very kindly lent me his Robert Sorby Pro Edge grinder, sander, whatever you like to call it, so I can get a better grind on my tools. And there it is. Okay, thank you very much. You know who you are. Right, this week's project is a walnut blank. Okay, it's one of those, I've used them before. It's a joinery offcut, it's all glued together. Already done that for you. We won't have to worry about watching that. What I intend to do is put a recess on it and then stick a piece of maple on the top, and I want to make it look like a sort of a, I don't know, a laboratory flask. So I make it sort of triangular, but then have a lip top made out of maple, and I'm probably going to put a walnut plug in the top, cap, whatever. Okay, so basically it's a lidded pot with a small hole, small opening. I know, there we go, fancy that, I'm doing a lidded pot. Alright, so hope you enjoy, let's get cracking. If you're still with me, thanks for staying till the end. Okay, here we go. I finished it. It's meant to be a laboratory flask type shape. I suppose it is there. But then when I put the top on, nothing like it. Okay, happy with it though. It's sort of like a bung type top. Not a firm fit, but that's okay. Is it look better that way? So we've got that funky joint going on there. A nice bit of chenoyance. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. Alright. Yeah, I'll tell you what I'm not happy about. I'm not happy about the way that the grain got picked up there, and I just couldn't sand it out. That's the end grain, this area here. And it's maple. And I probably, my parting tool was probably a bit blunt. But I could not sand it out. So, when I stained it, or put the sanding sealer on it, my sanding sealer is quite dark. It's basically made a dirty mark there. Very annoying. I must have to try and get some light sanding sealer. It's also made a mark in there, but you're not going to see that. Yeah, but apart from that, I'm happy enough with it. Okay, nice and hollow. You can put stuff in there. It's fairly useful. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed my project. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. And give us a like and share it with a friend or someone you don't like. Alright then. Okay, look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.